Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you a general breakdown on how to track your food. So as an example, I have some Quaker rice cakes right here. I have myself a little bit of some Greek yogurt. And I also have a can of tuna right here. So let me give you an example of how to track food. So when you're in your diary, let's say I'm going to add these foods into my lunch. I'm going to press add food, those blue letters right there. And then you can either search by name or you can use the scan barcode feature. So I'm going to search by name. So I'm going to tap search for food and I'm going to do Quaker lightly salted rice cakes. I'm going to press search. You're going to see that top search result right there. These are 35 calories per rice cake. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that top search result. And then you just want to make sure you're tracking your servings properly. So where it says number of servings and it has that number one, I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And there's two ways you can enter it in. You can do by the decimal or you could do by the fraction. I generally recommend to leave it set to decimal. I just find it's easier. So as an example, if I have 5 rice cakes, I'm going to just tap on 5, and then it's going to change those calories for me. And then I can press the check mark in the top right corner, and it's going to add that into my food diary. So if I go back, you can see it's right there in my lunch now. So as an example, let's say I'm going to have this can of tuna here, and I'm going to press add food. And in this case, I'm going to use the scan barcode feature, which you'll see right there at the top. If you have a premium version, you can tap on scan barcode. And then in this case, I can scan the barcode of that tuna and you can see that it just pops it open real fast, just like that. 100 calories for the can of tuna. I'm going to go ahead and press that check mark in the top right corner. And then let's say I want to track some of that Greek yogurt right here. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to press add food. I'm going to tap scan barcode. And then I'm going to go ahead and scan that barcode of the Greek yogurt. You can see it pops it up right away. Now, one thing that's important is you do want to make sure you're tracking the serving size properly. So if I tap on serving size where it says 0.75 cup, you'll notice it'll give me options on how I want to track the serving size. And each food might be a little different. Like some says ounces or tablespoons. We generally recommend to track by the gram and use your food scale because it's going to be the most exact way to track your food. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 1 gram. I'm going to tap on that. And then for the number of servings, let's say I'm having 200 grams of the Greek yogurt, then I'm just going to tap on 1 and I'm going to change the serving size to 200. And you'll notice it adjusts those calories for me. And then I'm going to press the check mark in the top right corner. So just like that, remember, you can either search by just typing in the name of the food or you can use scan barcode feature. Make sure that you're getting the serving size properly, and that's how to track your food.